Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Architectural Drawing and Blueprint Reading class. First of all, let's start with the preface study. Let's see what kind of course this is, and how can it be helpful for our professional study. Let's first look at a set of Chinese and foreign architectural pictures. They are extremely beautiful. And are the solidified music. Everyone is inseparable from architecture. Architecture is our closest friend. They shelter us from the wind and rain, and provide activity places for our production, life, work, and study. Architecture, in a narrow sense, refers to buildings and structures, or simply refers to houses. Architecture, in a broad sense, also includes civil engineering, etc. Then, how is a building constructed? It needs to be constructed in accordance with architectural drawings. This course is to introduce how the drawings are drawn, and how do designers read the drawings and draw the drawings. Engineering drawings are documents used by engineering technicians to express and communicate technical ideas, serving as a common language in the engineering field. The shape, size, structure, equipment, and decoration of a building are not always clearly described with language or text, but they can be accurately and detailedly expressed through a series of drawings. Therefore, drawings are an indispensable and important technical resource in building engineering. All engineering and technical personnel should master the skills of reading and drawing. Otherwise, if they cannot read drawings, they will be unable to understand the design intentions of others. And if they cannot draw, they will be unable to express their own design ideas. Architectural drawing and reading is a systematic and highly practical basic course for architectural majors, which plays a significant role in the subsequent course studies. It is closely related to engineering practice. The purpose of this course is to cultivate students' basic abilities in drawing and reading engineering drawings, to develop spatial imagination, and to lay a necessary foundation for the subsequent course studies and professional technical work. Upon completing this course, students should achieve the following requirements. 1. Master the basic theories and drawing methods of orthographic projection and axonometric projection. 2. Be able to correctly use drafting tools and instruments for drawing. 3. Understand the steps and methods of drafting, ensuring that the drawings comply with national drafting standards. 4. Be able to correctly read and draw general architectural engineering drawings. 5. Develop a serious and meticulous work attitude, and a patient, meticulous, and precise work style. The projection section of this course serves as the theoretical foundation for drafting, which is relatively abstract, often difficult, for beginners to grasp. The drafting section, however, applies the principles of projection and is more practical in nature. Therefore, while studying, it is crucial to strengthen the practical teaching components. Complete a certain number of assignments and exercises in order to better grasp the material. When studying this course, the following learning methods should be noted. 1. Clearly define the purpose of learning. 2. Architectural drafting is a course that combines fundamental theoretical knowledge of the discipline with close integration with practical production experiences, making it a highly practical technical foundation course. The basic theories and method can only be mastered through a great deal of drawing and reading drawing practice. During the study, attention should be paid to connecting theory with practice, observing carefully, thinking more, being diligent in hands, mastering the correct methods and steps, and striving to improve the drawing skills. 3. Listen attentively. Complete assignments independently. Do well in classroom exercises, after-class exercises, and practical training exercises. 4. Develop the spatial imagination ability, that is, imagine the three-dimensional shape from two-dimensional plane figures. This is also a difficult point in this course. When studying, combine drawing with reading drawings. That is, after drawing the projection drawing, according to the object, immediately remove the object and imagine the shape of the original object from the drawn projection drawing to see if they match. Adhering to this method is beneficial to the cultivation of spatial imagination ability. 6. The architectural drafting course can only lay a certain foundation for students' ability to draft and read drawings. Relevant professional knowledge will continue to be supplemented and improved in subsequent courses. Only in this way can one truly understand architectural engineering drawings. 7. Make a concerted effort to master the specifications and strictly adhere to the requirements of the drafting specifications when drawing. This concludes the content of this section. Thank you for your listening.